Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make green banana and plantain porridge. So here I have my green bananas that I'm gonna peel. I am peeling the banana and I'm using about a dozen or so bananas because I'm making porridge for the family. And I'm using about 4 plantains. So I'm peeling it from the skin. So as soon as I'm finished, guys, I'll get back and show you. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm cutting the bananas because I'm gonna do some blending. So you gotta cut them, just cut them to a size that you know will fit properly in the blender. Here I have the bananas, green bananas, and the plantain, and I have cut them up into small pieces. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to blend. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be adding the plantain and green banana to the blender. And I'm going to add maybe about a cup or so of water. So that's a cup, and I'm going to add another. So now I'm going to be blending, guys. So there it is, the banana, green banana, plantains. So I'm going to be blending. Now I'm blending a second batch. So guys, this is the finished product after I finish blending. Look at the consistency. Look at it, guys. All right, so now I will be adding the mixture that I blend to a pot of boiling water. So here I have my pot of boiling water, and I have about maybe 2 cups of water to boil. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And then I will be adding in the mixture that I had blended. As you add in the mixture, you stir, you continue to stir. So guys, I'm going to be adding in the mixture. And I'm just going to continue to stir as I go along. Guys, you continue to stir until it starts to get thickened. Look at it. It's coming together nicely. And you just continue to stir. You don't want to get it too thick, and at the same time you don't want it too thin because you're going to be adding other ingredients. I'm going to allow this now to cook for 15 to 20 minutes or so. So guys, I'm now checking on the porridge. It has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Yes, look at it. So I'm just stirring it because I don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pot. And guys, remember also to cook on low flame. So these are the other ingredients that I will be adding to the porridge for sweetener and for flavor. Cinnamon powder, sweetened condensed milk, some nutmeg, and vanilla extract. I am now ready to sweeten the porridge. So I'm gonna add in my cinnamon powder. And you just add in based on your liking. Some vanilla. I'm gonna grate some nutmeg now, guys. So now I am adding in some milk, sweetened condensed milk, and I'm stirring it in. And remember too that you're going to use based on how sweet you want your porridge to be, so you taste as you go along. So guys, there you have it. Green banana and plantain porridge. And this is the consistency, guys. If you like yours a little bit more thinner, what you could do, maybe add some evaporated milk to the mixture or some coconut milk. But I like mine this consistency. Wow, look at it. Very creamy. Wow. So now I have finished sweetening the porridge. So I'm gonna allow this to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. So there you have it, guys. Green banana and plantain porridge, and I just top it off with a little bit of cinnamon powder and a little extra sweetened milk to taste. Thank you so much for watching.